There is the same greatness in each and every one of us. And if there is something that is stopping us from realizing that greatness, then that is ourselves. So arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached. Now that you have a goal to travel abroad on your job, in this and the next few videos, I am going to share how and when you should get there. If you are a fresher just getting started with your job, then you should see yourself abroad in the next 2 to 4 years. And if you already have those 2 to 4 years of experience, then you should have been there yesterday. When you have a strong why towards anything in life, then the how will automatically fall in place. There are two ways in which you can travel abroad on your job. The first way is through the company you work for currently. The second way is to get the immigration done on your own or through a foreign company that can process your visa. Both of these have advantages and disadvantages. If you choose the first route, which is to get there through an offshore company you currently work for, the two advantages are: number one, it is more secure because you already have a job. Two, no expenses on your part because the company will bear your immigration and travel expenses. And there are three disadvantages. Number one, your salaries could be slightly lower compared with other companies. Secondly, your immigration might not be done on time. That is, some of these companies are not good at handling your green cards and permanent residencies, which could be a big thing long term. The third disadvantage is that switching jobs could be difficult based on the kind of visa you are in and also the contracts you might have with your offshore companies. If you choose the second route, like me, which is to get the immigration done on your own or through a foreign company that can process your visa, then there are several advantages. Number one, the salaries are comparatively higher. Most of these companies are good at processing your green cards and immigration, which will help you long term. Third, switching jobs is very easy when you are on your own or when you work for non-offshore companies. The disadvantages, if there are any, you have to look out for the initial job on your own, and secondly, you will have to bear those visa and travel expenses in some cases. I'm going to elaborate on both of these approaches in the next few videos.